One of the best examples to understand musical structure for longevity is the color blocks, which basically is an arpeggio. Color blocks allow you to improvise emotionally for as long as you want without reading a single note on paper. That allows me to play in Michelin star restaurants or hotels and weddings, and if you have some experience and chord knowledge, you can apply this immediately on the piano right now. So I developed the color block method, and the red block, for example, is this pattern from C. And 80% of my music is the red block. The yellow block goes like this. That's it. Now I want to show you a little trick, but before we do that, I'm gonna play a chord progression. Can you guess what I played right now? I will give you the answers after playing it one more time. So the first thing I play is C red, and I play it twice. The next thing I play is A red. It defines A because my first note is an A. The next one is F. F red, I should say. G red. That equals the chords C major, A minor, F major, G major. And now we're going to do the following, which is really cool. I introduced two things, and the first thing is the yellow block. The second thing is the sus4. We're gonna first talk about the first thing that I did. It's from F yellow. That includes an octave jump. And it sounds super organic. Instead of G red, we play G sus4. In my right hand, I'm doing something else. I create melodies instantly. And how do I do that? If I play this, the most logical next note to resolve that tension, because this sounds like tension, is going down. Same for F. It wants to go down. There's like this harmonic gravity that pulls the next tone. And that kind of gravity, you can apply it to chords. Etc. I have a free course in my free school community. It's called the Color Block Method. My community is called Secret Piano Games because there's a whole community around it. We have games and we play while learning. And so yeah, I'm developing this whole program in order to always improve and always make it better. Yeah, with the goal to have you performing emotional improvisations without the need of reading sheet music. If this makes sense, then please subscribe to the channel. I will make more videos about this, how you can combine chords with arpeggios in order to play emotional improvisations. And with the color blocks that we play on the piano, it can just make it as long as you want. That allows me to play 30 minutes in a row, have a little break and do it again, and do that for 4 hours in a restaurant. That's yeah, the thing you can achieve. If you feel like I want to learn this, join the school community below. You can ask any questions to me. I will respond by video or by comment, text message, or in the DM. Let's make this one big success. I'm looking forward to meet you, and thanks for watching this video.